Understanding Golden Division, exploring its meaning and usage. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting phrase, Golden Division. This phrase isn't just unique, it carries a rich blend of meaning and history. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's unlock the secrets behind Golden Division together. The phrase, Golden Division, refers to a group or unit that is considered exceptionally valuable, elite, or highly skilled. Think of it as a star team in any context, be it sports, business, or military. The word golden implies rarity and high value, while division indicates a group or section of a larger entity. This phrase often conveys respect and admiration for the abilities and achievements of the group. The origin of Golden Division is not entirely clear, but it's believed to have military roots. Historically, certain military units were designated as golden due to their extraordinary skills or pivotal roles in battles. Over time, the phrase evolved to be used in various contexts, symbolizing excellence and superiority. In modern times, Golden Division is used more broadly. It can refer to a company's top-performing team, a school's best sports team, or a group of elite professionals in any field. For example, a company might refer to its most innovative engineers as the Golden Division of its R&D department. 1. The company's Golden Division was responsible for the groundbreaking new product launch. 2. In the 1960s, this regiment was known as the Army's Golden Division due to its extraordinary bravery. 3. Our school's Golden Division won the national championship last year. So there you have it, the phrase, Golden Division, in a nutshell. It's a term that speaks of excellence, rarity, and high value. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this intriguing phrase. Keep exploring and enriching your English vocabulary. See you in the next video, and remember, every word you learn is a step closer to mastery.